Beyond the rust, a hidden story of endurance awaits discovery. This is more than just an old bicycle. It's a relic of forgotten journeys. Decades of neglect have left their mark, a testament to time's relentless march. But beneath the layers of decay, a glimmer of potential still pulses. Today, a remarkable transformation is set to begin. From abandonment, a phoenix will rise, reborn into its former glory. The meticulous journey of deconstruction starts, piece by painstaking piece. Stubborn components yield to dedicated hands, revealing decades of wear. The frame stands bare, stripped of its functional facade, ready for renewal. An intense effort to erase the past begins as rust surrenders to power. Each surface is painstakingly prepared, a foundation for resilience. A pristine white primer now blankets the metal, sealing its future. Then, the vibrant red paint emerges, breathing life into the once dull form. Careful masking adds a sophisticated two-tone detail, a touch of modern flair. The iconic Raleigh name and team designation are skillfully restored. A final clear coat, a protective shield, gleams with renewed promise, parallel to the frame's revival. Intricate parts are similarly refurbished. The handlebars and stem undergo a complete transformation. Back on the stand, the reborn frame begins to welcome its components. Headset bearings, meticulously greased, ensure smooth steering for years to come. The stem is securely fitted, defining the bike's ergonomic posture. Deep within the frame, the bottom bracket finds its lubricated home. Essential brakes are precisely installed, promising safety and control. The front derailleur mount, a crucial piece of the puzzle, is secured. What was once forgotten is now a beacon of craftsmanship, ready for new adventures. From rust and ruin, an extraordinary machine emerges, a true testament to dedication. Thank you for watching.